The federal government of Nigeria, it is clear that they don't want to leave Nnamdi Kanu. If not, they could have withdrawn the case. So no need to try Nnamdi Kanu if they want to free him. So that is a part. There are two occasions that scares the federal government of Nigeria. Just two occasions. And then that's to the appeal court of Nigeria discharging Nnamdi Kanu, acquitting him of all charges. What could that be? Number one is that Nnamdi Kanu did not jump deal according to the Supreme Court judgment. According to the appeal court judgment, he fled for his life because the military invaded his house and they killed so many people. This is established. Okay, that is number one. The second thing that scares Nigerian government about Nnamdi Kanu case, and they never wanted to hear this court, is that they kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya. So there was a question that was put before the DSS witness DDP in the cross-examination of yesterday, and as you can see what Premium Time published, that is just the issue that happened, that transpired yesterday. They asked this man, how did you people brought Nnamdi Kanu into the country? He denied that the Department of State Service did not do that. Alright, welcome back to the channel. So we are back with the latest updates on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court hearing. You know, that happened today at the Federal High Court in Abuja. You all know today is the 22nd day of May 2025, and a whole lot happened in courts today. In fact, today the pressure, it was now on the prosecution, and today's hearing was really intense, not just because of what was said in court, but because of how the judge came hard on the prosecution. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appeared again at the Federal High Court in Abuja, and his defense team, SEN Kanu Agabi, and Paul Erukoyo, also an SEN, came locked and ready for war. Now the DSS witness was back in the box for cross-examination. But before things kicked off, the judge gave a serious warning to the federal government. In his exact tone, he quoted, "I granted accelerated hearing, but 3 months later, we are still here. I am giving you just 6 days. Bring all your witnesses, whether 5 or 500. If not, I will strike out your case and move on. Don't forget, someone is still in detention." That was what the judge said in his tone. Now, that statement, set the tone for today. The judge was clearly, tired of the delays and, the games that have been going on with this particular case. Once again, the second DSS witness could not hold ground under questioning. When asked simple questions, his answers were shocking. He didn't know if Kanu's international passport was in their custody. He didn't know if Kanu traveled or where the broadcast came from. He said he didn't know if Biafra was prescribed, only that IPOB was. He didn't complete it. He admitted he never got any statement from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He also admitted that he had no investigation report in court, said the government has it. He also said he confirmed that before IPOB was prescribed, it was not illegal. He also said he agreed that not all IPOB members are criminal. That was what the witnesses were saying. Now, there came the real embarrassment. When asked if he had any proof, any name, video, voice clip, or person who said Kanu told them to commit violence, the witness now replied, no, there was no evidence. Imagine, now the defense team submitted a flash drive, filed with their filled video clips, and the court played them right inside, and the clip won. A man said, if you're depending on police for protection, you will all die. Witness said it was not his DG. They now played the second clip. Another man said, people must rise and defend themselves. That waiting for security forces is useless. Witness then confirmed, yes, that our DG, Oluwatosin Ajayi, he agreed with everything the DG said. Clip 3, Governor Uzodinma was seen on tape saying killings in Olu were not done by IPOB but by politicians. This was the same man who previously blamed IPOB. Clip 4, General T.Y. Danjuma was seen warning that if you wait for police to protect you, you will all die. He also called on everyone to arm themselves. The DSS never arrested him for that statement. So now, the question remains, why is Kanu the one in prison? After the defense finished with the videos, witness number 2 was discharged, but then the prosecution had nothing else. I mean, their witnesses wasn't ready. Again, the judge, didn't smile. He reminded them that if they don't complete their witnesses within 6 days, he will strike out the entire case. He even advised them to reduce the number of witnesses so the matter can end quickly. So after all the drama that happened today in courts, the case has now been adjourned to these dates: May 28th, 29th, June 6th, June 16th, June 18th, and June 19th, 2025. That was everything that happened today in courts. Anyway, don't forget to drop a comment, drop a like, and subscribe. Stay tuned, guys.